The AUTOPSTENHOJ Mascot 40 is the perfect hydraulic two-post lift for repair and maintenance in your workshop. The lift is set up asymmetrically so that vehicles can be positioned far to the rear and the doors can be opened wider. The Mascot 40 has double-door stop protection, which is particularly ideal for transporters where the doors are set high. The parallel setting of the swivel arms means that also short vehicles can be picked up quickly and easily. The Mascot 40's wide range of different lifting pad options allow vehicles to be lifted safely, even with difficult lifting points, from small cars to T6s with long wheelbases. The mechanical synchronization is ensured by stable steel cables. A column extension of 700 millimeters is also possible without any problems. All in all, the sophisticated technology ensures smooth and even running. The upper limit switch is individually adjustable. A CE stop is of course standard. The upper contact rail protects high vehicles from damage and switches off the lift if necessary. The operation is simple and intuitive. An additional safety element is the electrically operated safety ratchet, which does not require compressed air. The safety ratchet can also be used as a parking position. Optionally, a valve can be installed to individually throttle the lowering speed, which is particularly helpful when removing the battery. The valve is controlled simply and intuitively via a turn switch. The universal swivel arm design makes it possible to lift a wide range of vehicles. A second control unit is optionally available for comfortable working. With the hydraulic AUTOPSTENHOJ two-post lift Mascot 40, you invest in a future-proof multifunctional workstation. For more information, just contact us. AUTOPSTENHOJ.com.